support Kobe tomorrow night, right? Yay! Brother, you almost made me apologize for every male bashing piece I ever did in my life. That's a lot. I was gonna do a love poem, but I said, you know, fuck it, I'm mad. Okay. This is a very, very old piece, but I was just feeling it. It's called The Illusionist. I love being single, because that means you can slay a multitude of dicks and never get in trouble. I can look a brother in his eyes and tell him how I exercise my jaw muscle until it's tight. I can scoop a seed out without breaking the skin, and I can suck on the nectar while I part my lips so some of it can voyage down my chin. Relax, brother. I'm just eating a mango seed. What were you thinking? I'm a poet. It's not about what I do. It's all about what I say that can make BB put down his guitar. And I'd be the only woman that Ray Charles has seen. I'd be the woman that makes Kanye burst through his khaki seams, and you never even have to fuck me. My words would enter your brain and ooze out of your mouth on an ecstasy tidal wave. Mr. Legend would never say confirmation that he was just ordinary, because his nocturnal emission, quite on the contrary, signified that I made him come in his thoughts. His semen swarmed through his mind, clouding his pianist expertise, and he wouldn't even be able to tell his ass from his knees, seducing his piano, wondering if his mind was playing tricks on him, or was he stroking his ivory keys and not playing with me. And men, I dare you to be Caribbean and not think of me. Cause everything about me spelled bad gal, from the top of my head to the sole of my feet. Trinidad got my peach tree tasting like concentrated sugar cane, and Jamaicans got my hips moving to a beat that I can't explain. And Haiti follows behind it with drum beats, dancing in my head and moving my body like the thumping in my pussy created compa. Like I could plogue with the trees and make them come until I smother the earth's floor with its sap, and you never even have to fuck me, but I make you wish you could. I'd recite the Declaration of Independence and watch your soft member turn to wood. It doesn't matter what I say, it's the way I say it. I'd whisper brownie recipes in your ear and watch you fantasize about wishing you could eat it. Half a cup of butter, 3 squares unsweetened chocolate, 2/3 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cup Marcherino cherries, well drained and halved, well drained and halved. Melt butter and chocolate together and set aside to cool in a small bowl. Mix flour, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Beat eggs in a large bowl. Beat eggs. Add sugar and vanilla, stir in chocolate mixture and flour. Add cherries to wet ingredients. Add cherries to wet ingredients. Pour into a well-greased 8-inch pan. Bake at 350 degrees. Put your hands together and pray for it to come out tasting just like me. And when your chocolate's done, you can eat me. You can bite through the middle until you find one of my many cherries, because it's too thick for there only to be one, and let it pop in your mouth, letting the cherry juice drip down, drop, drip down your chin, so when you kiss your girl, she can have something to remember me with. Wow. And you never even have to fuck me. Yeah.